Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing and managing the list of all the videos you have liked on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by launching TikTok and head over to your profile page. If you click the heart icon in the middle here, that will show you the page of all the videos you have ever liked on TikTok on your account. If you would like to remove a video from here, you can simply open it and remove your like for it to disappear. You can change the privacy settings for your video likes by tapping the menu button at the top right of the screen and then selecting Privacy and Safety. From Privacy and Safety, you can change the setting called Who Can View Your Liked Videos. The heart icon on my page has now changed, and that means that my likes are public. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.